This podcast was made with a voice generator. Today, let's go to the Bonne Nouvelle prison to talk to you about showers. We are on the left bank, a few minutes walk from the Saint-Sever district, and it was here, in 1872, that showers first appeared in France. And yes, it's a Rouen invention, because it didn't exist before. To put you back in the context of the time, the French took baths in establishments, called public baths. And to improve the hygiene of prisoners, the prison Bonne Nouvelle had the idea, via a collective shower system with individual hot water jets, to create the first showers. It was Doctor Merry Delabost, head physician at the Bonne Nouvelle prison, who invented this ingenious system. A specialist in prison science, this doctor had the idea of inventing showers following a circular from the Ministry of the Interior asking prison directors to improve the living conditions of prisoners in French prisons, because those were overcrowded following the War of 1870 and the Commune. This doctor therefore developed the combination of the cold shower device, namely a high tank which increased the pressure and thus reduced water consumption, with a jet of steam from a pump. This created a jet shower of hot water. The jet of steam lost in the air borrowed a pipe in the shape of a coil, thus heating the water contained in the tank. Clever. If you're wandering around the Saint-Sever district, but don't feel like going to see the Bonne Nouvelle prison, I challenge you to find the street of this doctor I've just told you about. Little clue, if you smell the smells of breads and pastries, you are very close.